is up, guys? JAMAICA'S Gamer here for another video. And today we are doing a reaction to my boy's channel. My first reaction to this channel. This channel is a hella funny. It's the one and only Kevin2WoKrazyee. My J, big up yourself, bro. God, big up yourself, my J. Alright, so he dropped this video last night. I was waiting for a video last week. He didn't forward. So he dropped this one last night, and I it was hard not to watch it because normally I watch them straight away. So it was hard not to watch it. So I say I'm gonna do a reaction to this one for the first time and see how it goes. All right, let's go. Let's go. All idiot. Yes, man. Him have a new intro because that wasn't how his intro was before. Him have a new intro. All idiot. Yes, man.
Hello, everybody. Alright, people, let me tell you what.
Hello, everybody.
I go on because you know, probably I wonder why I disappear.
Yeah, you did. I was waiting for a video last week and you never drop it. Tell me why you disappear.
Remember, say, after each season, we usually take a break. See? So after season 1, take a break. Season 2, take a break.
Oh, okay.
We go right up to about season 5 and then we take a break. Season 6, we just make a mad dash feed because the plan was to make sure that this channel, Kevin2WoKrazyee Extra, catch up Kevin2WoKrazyee, the original channel, in our subscribers. And we have done that successfully. So, big up on yourself, thump up on the thorax. That was the thing.
That's good. Well done, bro.
So what I'm doing now is just taking a little break from creating this type of content. I'm not gone for forever. I just want to take like a little month or so.
Oh man.
So I still have a couple weeks left. But just relax. So where I will be, however, is on my vlog channel because the vlogs they take a lot less in terms of editing.
Yeah.
And they're easier to put together.
18K.
And we have some little things I want to do and we want to see. So make sure you subscribe to the vlog channel. The link will be in the description. Okay, when we come back, the shirts them, what we promise you, special edition shirts, they will be ready. So I'm just telling you from now so people can get them funds together. I'm gonna try if you make sure so we can make yardy people get it. For all of the
Yeah, look on Kevin at peak. You can see Kevin been up there, so you know. Kevin ring it a man and put it on, you know. Look on him at peak.
people who have downloaded XM Global.
Is it?
There's also going to be a Telegram link in the description where I will be posting things to help you to navigate XM Global. Just little clips, little information what you might need to help you on your trading journey. So if you have downloaded XM Global via me, the link where they send to you, use the link in the description, the Telegram link. You have got to download the Telegram app and use the link for join the Telegram group. All right, it will not be a group for you to send me videos and them thing there. No, it will be a group for me to send you information re XM Global. Okay, and also my anniversary and them things, that's why I made it disappear. And plus I am working on a little project. I'm showing you quick and fast.
New shot.
That's how fast it was.
Man just feel like a millisecond of the flip and say, yo, that's it. That's how fast it was. One thing though, let me say, this guy works so hard. I edit, so I know how hard editing is. So at a high standard, yes, I know editing at a high standard. So what he's doing, I have to respect what he's doing and appreciate what he's doing to put out the content each and every week. So
keep the eyes peeled for that. By the way, new vlog on the vlog channel. I decided to share with you guys some YouTube game. So link in the description.
Which game that?
Well, don't chat.
I forgot to check out that. Check out that video.
Okay. That's a small axe chop down big tree.
Here we go. Here we go. We're in the video now. We're in the video. We're in the video. Finally. That was a lot of information. I hope you guys taking the information and really looking at what I'm saying and registered. You see? So let's go into the video now. This is how I read pan. What?
If I were idiot, I use it.
Yo. Sorry, people. Sorry. If me laugh too hard more time, I cough. It's just like, let me drink some H2 or that. Yo. at the side of the axe, you know. At the side of the axe, knock it on the dictionary face, you know. But what make it nice? Oh, Kevin has said. Here you go back to Kevin has said.
Don't chat. So to the video.
Okay.
Them say small axe chop down big tree. If I were idiot, I use it.
Wait!
No fucker, no. Usually when I see this, you see people a chop a piece of wood. Never yet see them a chop so ear.
I want go on.
Something alright.
But this is the first time for everything. How when you get it wrong the first time?
What I really like, I admire about Kevin, I don't know how him do it. If him have a script, if him watch the video them first, and him have a script, where him go by, where him try to link every video. If him say something not the last one, him bring it over to the next video and carry it on and him do it so well and so natural. Big up yourself, my G God. What's going on, sir? What's going on here?
Just so you know.
That no hot.
That is when it hurts the most.
Just so you know.
That no hot.
No, you see why?
Yo, people, monsieur. For my mother life, me never watch that video yet. Me not watch the video. But me just know at some point in the video, that a forward. That is one of my favorite meme Kevin have. That is one of my favorite meme Kevin use. That no hot. And that, the person who said that is actually Kevin. That is actually Kevin saying that. So that was like an old skit to him though.
The most.
Just so you know.
No, you see why every idea your idol virgin have is not a good one.
God.
Somebody said back surgery.
Yeah.
300 pounds
Sergi.
on that diving board, just so you know.
Okay, so 300-pound weight limit on the diving board. But how much pounds the vertebrae them in a fin back can bear?
Yeah.
Me never swim enough. Me never swim. Me never swim.
And God say land in our water
Yeah,
because he may have
that's a
needed
new
to
meme,
cool
that's a
off
new
the
meme.
burn like this officer.
Oh. Watch the video already. Me did put that video up on my WhatsApp status and something that linked me and say, yo, send me that video. Are the best video I've seen for the year. Shizzle Sherlock, big up yourself, Shizzle. Shizzle link me and say, yo, send me that video. No, dog. So I have to chat it to him on the WhatsApp. So, see that video already, but I don't know where Kevin I go say towards it.
What you are witnessing is the after effects of a mandatory tear gas session that the officers have to partake in.
In ball.
As my father would say, ball
Them a ball.
But they know I really not knew that though. A long time them think they are going, you know.
Water.
Where me was?
Going, you know.
Water? Where me was?
Water.
And the last part, after the hose part, and you take back the me not attack it. Look, watch.
In some, if not most police forces, you see, the non-lethal methods, what them are use on people, they usually use it on them one another first.
Water.
Yeah, so tear gas, them have to use it on them one another. The taser, you get tears too.
Yes,
you have to use it on people. You need
yeah.
to know
Exactly,
what
it feel like, yeah.
So your tolerance level must be greater than the average individual.
Yes,
So
true.
that
True.
in a tear gas environment,
Yes, them
you
can manage
still
it.
carry out your duties.
Yes.
Hey, the way how bossy a ball, if I did 10 tear gas canisters, them throw, it look like 7
Listen,
of them drop a
he
feet.
might put it up again. I know that.
This is what members of our security forces have to go through, you know.
Oh,
so make we
gosh.
respect them. And
I'm
on
crying.
that
I'm literally
note,
crying, bro.
because
I'm
I am
literally
not
crying.
built
Is it?
like that.
Look here. I'm literally crying, people. No joke. Kevin got. Look Kevin
What?
the while ago.
And I'm a police application me just tear up.
Oh.
And I'm just tear. Speaking
Kevin, I get you.
of tearing up.
You see it? You see how me link that? You see my talk about? police application tear up a while ago. Then him say, speaking of tearing up, that is what I mean when I say link the video them. But let's go. What gonna say? Oh! The one broke!
I see why he risked it all, but he only end up tear down the people them wall. This is why Auntie Gwen stop call the police. They can lock off the dance. She is tired of it. Last week the plum tree get dagger down to a nun tree because after them they done, it was non-existent.
Yeah.
And this week our wall, no man, Auntie tired man.
Wall broke, you know? Look on the wall. I can see the wall they cracked before. The wall have a crack there. Why these people wrecking people's property? Oh, it's not the crack part at the top part. Not around. It's not the crack part at the top part. Yeah. No visa was hurt during this video. Oh God, Kevin, why you do it, Kevin? Why you do it? No visa was hurt during this video. Make it why I'm saying that because it's a foreign girl this. And obviously, let's go.
Grasses! Still on the party topic. No matter how you asleep. You see, once the part of the song where you like, come on.
Wake up.
You just can't control yourself.
Sure. Kevin, that's not. Bombard! All them things are wickedness, you know. She probably worked for the whole day, you know. And insists for a party same way, you know. Me never go say our friend them Jar wrote for a party. She probably insists for go, cause if me no want to go party, nobody can make me go. I could have even want free party out this I give me money. Me nah go. Once me tired, me I got my bed. Me nah force myself to go nowhere. Look pan she.
A mascot. Circus you want.
A lady I look like she a novice to a party thing, you know. Because everybody knows say when party I keep a late night thing. Sleeping at day so they take her up in at night.
But she probably has to work the whole day, Kevin. She probably has work the whole day. So she don't have a choice. But saying that though, Kevin, I do sleep. Like if party are 12 o'clock, if me leave my yard 12 o'clock Figure Road, I forget if I have a 20 minutes sleep, I'm wake up feeling nice. No matter if I work the whole day, I'm still feeling good when I wake up, you know?
Nobody never tell her. But me I go tell her, so as a matter of fact, you know what, Ross? Tell her for me.
Better you got your bed.
Alright people, that is it. Thank you for your videos and your video suggestion. Remember people, make sure you say subscribe to all of my channel. And if you don't subscribe to the main channel, link is in the description. Go subscribe to that. Subscribe to this channel. If you're not subscribed to this, subscribe to the vlog channel.
Yeah, man.
Definitely, because that's where most of the content will be. While I'm dip on the little break here and just chill and relax. I think I need to put some energy into my vlog channel, so I would appreciate it if you guys just, go over there and subscribe. The gaming channel is also there. You can subscribe to that if you want, if you're interested in it.
You have a gaming channel? I never know you have a gaming channel, Kevin.
Games. We usually just play one game.
Call of Duty. Kevin, may I chat on WhatsApp? You tell me say for add you. You tell me say for add you on PlayStation. I may add you over a month ago. Jamaica _Rares_G. The G stands for Gamer, Kevin. I'm looking here and chat to you. The Jamaica Rares Gamer add you up on PlayStation and you still not accept it yet. You still not accept it yet, Kevin. I want to know what is going on. Yes, me know say you get enough ads. Add enough friend requests. Sift through and pick out. Come in the tell me I got add and say yes. So make sure you accept so we can roll some Call of Duty. Warzone. Alright. Good.
Call of Duty. If you like that, subscribe to the gaming channel also. I would really appreciate the subscriptions to the vlog channel. Now get to at least 50k. I don't know. If I don't feel like it still. Hit the like button, hit the share button, definitely subscribe. This is Kevin2WoKrazyee. You think it, you believe it.
And you live to achieve it.
Live to achieve.
All idiot. Yes, man. You're done. Yo, big up Kevin2WoKrazyee. Big up Kevin2WoKrazyee. The support that you give me, G, over the past months is been real, you know? So big up yourself, brother. Big up yourself, big up yourself. People, please, if you like this video, please subscribe to it. Please like. I will be reacting to more of Kevin videos, but the problem is, I see nearly all of them already, so I have to go react to the new one them. So that's it. You know? That's it. He's a hilarious guy. Why for the funny? He's a hilarious guy. And subscribe to him channel them if you haven't done so already. I understand. So, people, look at the time. I'm getting out of here. Peace.